Okay. I do half, just wow, Fort Knox could freaking like open this package. Anyway, I got from Amazon. Something people wanted to get, but yeah, it's a Hamilton Beach. What's a blender? This is supposed to be a. You know, I want to see. Let me open it. Where is? And I will throw it over there. It's a personal blender, so I can make juices, smoothies, whatever I want. Of course, I'll have to do a top too because. Okay, so this is the lid, which is actually a lid for. Okay, sorry, which you can drink from. So that means the thing is, um, it only costs like 20 something, like $20, I think. There's a second part of it, the blender part with the. That means the. Jesus Christ! Are you Jesus Christ? Okay, so he's gonna. Don't do it one different days here. Ah, Jesus Christ, it's heavy. Um, well, where is it? What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, instructions. But yeah. Um. Oh, what the things in there? So what I think you do. No, this is like useless. Don't do that. It's stupid. This is a cup, right? Put in here, right? Turn it on. Well, with the lid on, right? And when it gets done, you can take it off. It can be your own bottle. That's what I was seeing. So yeah, um, there's one right there. Right? As you see, this can be opened. It's one of these slidey ones. This is nice. I like because you know it. I wanted this one to have like a juice or smoothie. Let's read these. I'm reading the instructions off camera though, obviously. It's not ESP 1,000. I know how to use this crap. Come on. But yeah, those are the blades. Those are gonna be pain in the butt to clean. Yeah, as you see, it's a cup also. So yeah, there we go. Yeah. Um, pretty darn cool, I think. Something I wanted to get. I wanted to get this like last month, but I forgot. Even like I was like, oh, I was like, oh yeah, I have a little bit of money, so I said, might as well invest. This is like only like 20 something dollars. I got the blue because well, it's easier for me that way. Get the blue because matches the vehicle. Honestly. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna keep this out. So yeah, um, it's BPA free. Okay. Well, it looks like when you have like things put in it, start button, blah blah blah. Okay. So yeah, um, I'm gonna clean it and start using it. Well, when I maybe when I go get some fresh ingredients for this. Yeah, of course, it's never gonna go back in. It was, but oh well. Oh wait, I know how it was. I know how it was. This was actually upside down, I think. Well, it's not able to come back in. No, no. But yeah, I I'll clean that a little bit. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Hopefully that so it doesn't just go dark for no reason. So that's the Hamilton Beach personal photo. I think it's really good if you have a vehicle, if you live in your vehicle, you have a way to plug it in. So yeah. Anyway, God bless.